Good morning, dear students. In this video lecture, we will be studying absolute value and addition of numbers on number line. So, what is absolute value? Absolute value. It is actually definition I will tell you, but before that, first to understand what is absolute value. For an example, if I have -7, these two lines are drawn, then the answer will be 7. Now these two lines are called mod. Is called mod. So how we will write? These two lines are termed as mod and the number is inside this. So we read as mod of -7, or we say absolute value of -7. So mod of 7 is equal to 7. Absolute value of 7 is also 7. That means these are the different ways that we speak, we read out. Now if I have 7, mod of 7 will always be equal to 7. Now if I have mod of like 12, then again 12. Mod of x, mod of -x equal to x. So what did you observe? That whenever a number is written inside this mod, the number which comes out is always positive, be it be negative or positive. Here positive number is there, so answer is positive. Here negative number is there, then also the number is positive. So this is called mod of the value, mod of any value. Now definition, if you want to write, it is the absolute value of an integer is the number obtained by omitting its sign. That means the absolute value of an integer is obtained by omitting the sign, whatever sign may be positive, negative. Double M, not single M, OMITTING. Okay, omitting. So this is the meaning of absolute value of 7. Let us add two absolute value. For an example, I am having -5, mod of -7. Addition I am just teaching you. Mod of 5 plus mod of 3. So the answer will be 5 plus 3, because from here plus 5 will come, here plus 3 will come. So final answer will be 5 plus 8. Now if you have -5 plus -3, then also you will be having 5 plus 3, that is 8. Now if you have to subtract, then what you are going to do? Mod of 7 minus mod of 4, -4 will be equal to mod of 7. This minus sign is there, this sign will come here as it is, and then mod of -4 will be +4. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Now if you have 7 minus of +4, then also you see -7 minus 4. This plus 7. This will come +7. This minus will remain as it is, and this 4 will be 4. So here it will be 3. So if you see, the answer is always same, positive. +7 -4, again we are having -7 will become +4 will become +4. If I have -7 minus of -4, then also you see it will be 7 minus 4, that is 3. So this is the meaning of absolute value of integers, and this is how we are going to do operations on these values. Now addition of numbers and subtraction of numbers, I hope all of you know. Now here I will be teaching you how to add and subtract number on number lines. So the very first example I will take, like addition. For addition I am taking various cases. Like if I have 4 plus 3, then this I have to add a number line. So first we will draw one number line, mark it here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. Now, why I have increased? First I marked up to here, then I saw that no, my number will not go up to that much. Then I increase this less. Why? Because generally we can find, no, mentally also we can add 4 plus 3 is 7. But here what we have to do is, we have to represent this addition on number line. So first number is plus 4. So from 0, you draw one line up to 4. The arrow will go up to 4 like this. Then you are having plus of 3. Plus of 3 means again from here 1, 2, 3 you have to move. 1, 2, 3. So your answer will be here 7. 0 to 4, then plus 3 means you are moving towards this side. So answer is equal to 7 here. You can write 7 here. Finally, your number line will be like this. If you have 4 plus minus 3, now you see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you see 4 minus 3. First I have to go from 0 to 4. Here my 0, here it is my 4. So I will come up to here. Now what I have to add? Minus 3. Minus 3 means coming this side. How we have to add now. In addition, we are supposed to go that side. But here we have to add negative number. Negative number is available this side on the left hand side. So we will move 1, 2, 3 units here. So our answer will be here. I will mark like this and then mark an arrow also here. So that this is your 7. So the answer will be equal to 1. Is it? So here is equal to 1. Mentally also if you calculate 4 minus 3 is always 1. So here on number line representation also you got 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Now second, like you may have minus 4 plus of 3. So here you will take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Minus 4 you have to come. Here I am having 0. I have to come up to minus 4 here. So from here to here I will draw one line. It is minus 4. Now how much we have to add? Addition of plus 3. Plus 3 means going towards right hand side. Positive number is there. So we are going to add towards that side. 1, 2, 3. So your answer will be equal to minus of 1. See the reading here. It is minus 1. I hope you understood. When we are having positive number addition, we go towards right hand side. When we have negative number addition, we move towards left hand side. Now one more we have to see. In this only we will see like minus 4 plus minus 3. Both the negative numbers we have to add. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Now you see we have to go up to minus 4. 0 is here. 0 to minus 4 means up to here I have to reach. After that what we have to add? Add minus 3. As I have told you here, when we add negative numbers, we have to move towards left hand side. So minus 3 points we have to move towards this side. So our answer will come here. So the result will be minus 7. I hope you all understood. When we add positive numbers, so rules you can write. Rules I will be dictating now. So this is the rule of addition that I have written on the board. You all can by heart this and memorize and keep in your mind while adding numbers on a number line. Now here I will be discussing subtraction of numbers on number line. Now subtraction of numbers, like 4 minus 3, positive number is there. So what will be my answer on number line? What will be my answer on number line? Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. From 0 to 4 I will reach first. I reached up to here 4. How much we have to subtract? Positive 3 numbers. Now positive 3 numbers, subtraction is coming towards this. Addition means going towards right. So 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit. So my answer, my arrow will stop up to here. So what is my answer? Is equal to 1. Understood? Now when you have 4 minus of minus 3, addition of negative number, then what we are going to do? Now you see we have to subtract negative numbers. 4 minus of minus 3. Now if you see 0 is here, 4 I will come up to here, this part I came up to here. Now what we have to subtract? Negative number. I told you when we subtract we have to move towards left hand side. In case of positive number, here number is negative, so I will move towards right hand side by 3 units. So my answer will come and stop here. That will be equal to 7. If you calculate mentally also, it will be 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. I hope it is clear. So this is second. Third, if you have minus 4 minus of plus 3, then what you are going to do? Again you will draw one line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now you are having first number minus 4. So 0 to minus 4 means here you reached up to here. Then you are having subtraction of minus 3. Minus 3 means what? Subtraction of positive number. Sorry. When you have subtraction of positive number, then again I told you, as I told you here, that we have to move towards left. Here also I will move towards left only. So I will come up to here 3 units. 1, 2, 3 units. So answer will be equal to minus 7. Now when you have another number minus 4 minus of minus 3, then what you are going to do? Again 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1, 2, 3, 4. Now minus 4, 0 to minus 4 up to here. Then minus of negative number. When I said when we are going to subtract negative number, we will be moving towards right hand side. Right hand side means from here only 1, 2, 3 units. So my answer will be here minus 1. If you see this one, it will be minus 4 plus 3 equal to minus 1. So on this also we have two rules that I will dictate now. Rules of subtraction. When we subtract positive number, then when we move towards left hand side. When we subtract negative number, then we move towards right hand side. This is the rule of subtraction. Likewise, I have told you the rule of addition already I have told you. Now, my dear students, multiplication, division of integers, these all are parts of class 6 which I have already discussed in class 6. I don't think so that any video lecture is required. So I would request you all to complete the exercise daily, few sums you solve, so that in this week we will be able to complete this chapter. Okay, thank you.